Back. Back already? You're back. So you mean you left earlier though? Busy? Are you busy? Busy sa daming si Doo, lots of contact, right? So many contacting kasi nga, the situation niya. No more topic already, dog. No more topic already because wala na tayong viewers. Ubos na ang viewers. We will have a topic, dog. Topic lang tayo, dog. Let's have a topic, dog. Give it up. Thank you sa mga tayo pag green grass of home from dog. Yan, thank you. A couple of phone calls. Yeah, I busy talaga. It's like call center na. Right? My goodness. You are working so many. And that is good, People reach out to you. How is it though, the evenings? Couple of phone calls. It shows that so many cares about you, diba? So many phone calls. Hello, mag 49 minutes. We will end at 1 hour, guys, na lang kasi nga I already talking a lot. We can have a conversation here, dog. We can have a conversation here. I'm laugh only. It's because like the conversation is it private or is it public? Yahak na si Alma. Yan talagang buhay, guys. Bill collectors. Oh my goodness, your bill collectors is there already. You have so many bills, I think, dog. So many bills. Grabe mga expenses. That's life. Life is like that, really. Hindi talaga maiiwasan. We cannot, God. Repo the farm. What is that? I don't know what is repo. Report? What's the farm? I didn't get it. Di maamin ang damdamin nung wala ka na sa aking piling. Na ngayon'y wala ka na sa akin at sinabi ko sa'yo. Let's sing na lang song. We don't have so much topic na. Finish already. Reposes the farm foreclosed. Oh, your farm already foreclosed? Oh my goodness, that's a problem. That's a really big problem. You're guys, we talk about foreclosed mostly if it's in the bank already. And then if in the Philippines, we talk about the foreclosed. If it's foreclosed property already, and you are in the position, nobody can let you out of your land if you are in position. But if the land is empty, of course the bank will get that one. I will have to borrow from my Filipina. Yeah. Right. I hope the Filipina can let you borrow. My goodness. So many borrow. How much does it cost? What na tani? How much does it cost? Char.